Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace a battery on your iPhone XR, as you can see right here. First you need to remove those two screws by the charging port right here. So let's remove them first. Once you remove the screws, you'll need to use suction cup to pull the screen up, and then stick something sharp between the screen and the frame to lift it up right here. Don't go too deep in. Now you can use removal tool all the way around. Just go all the way around. If you need to lift it up more, feel free. Doesn't come out pretty easy because it has glue all the way around. It's sealed pretty much. So just go all the way around to remove this stuff. Careful, don't lift it up too much out, because there's a connector between. So just remove the screen. First. Okay, here it is. Here's the connectors to your screen, as you can see right here, and then there's one more right here. So you can just lay it down on one of the sides for now. You don't have to disconnect. Then you'll need to remove 3 of the screws right here to unhook the battery from the phone. So use. There's 3 screws. You'll need to remove them. It's the first plate right here. As you can see, there's 3 screws in it. Okay, once you remove the screws, you can lift it up the plate right here. Here's the plate. That's the one you need to remove the battery. Unplug the battery pretty much from the thing. And then you'll need to remove this two things. Try to lift them up, and then you'll need to pull them out. I'll show you how. So you lift them up, and you'll have to pull them. As you can see right here, there's 2 things you need to pull on. Shoot, I just ripped it off. So it's gonna be, if you rip it off, you'll have some hard time to remove the battery. So be really careful with these things. Once you lift them off, you gotta be more careful once you pull them. So you just pull it up. Okay, it came off too. So once you remove the battery, once you remove those 2 things, you'll need to unplug right here. This one. And this one, 2 of this. And then once you remove the battery completely, you'll need to remove it completely from this thing. You can install a new one and then plug it in, everything, and then put the screws back in. Plug it in back, everything, and then put the plate back on it. install this thing back. Then put the screws back in. They're super small, hard to see. There's 3 screws back in. And then install your screen. Carefully go all the way around. Click it in and put the 2 screws back, the ones you were using. And here it is, you have a new battery in your phone. Now you can turn it on the phone. Here it is, just came up. Super easy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos and thumbs up. And bye bye.